Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix dynamic color wallpaper not working on this device. So if you are facing such issues, first of all, you need to restart your device and try to replay the wallpaper. For this, go to settings, tap on wallpaper and style, tap on change wallpaper. Scroll down here, you can see all the dynamic colors wallpaper. Okay, then again you need to reapply this wallpaper to your device. Okay, dynamic wallpaper may stop changing due to software glitches or power saving restrictions. If you enable the power saving mode on your device, just disable this option. Okay, dynamic wallpaper automatically changing the colors and create a fresh look to your phone. So simply in this way we can fix the dynamic wallpaper not working on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.